Friends, right here, lightning in a bottle, homemade Greek dressing. Old recipe from my mom. This is the best dressing you'll ever have, and not only is it great dressing, you can use it as a marinade too. Super easy to make, cheap, and absolutely delicious. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's what we got. Minced garlic, red wine vinegar, olive oil, real lemon juice, or you can squeeze your own lemons, doesn't matter, however you want to do it. Dijon mustard, and oregano. That's it, guys. That's it. That's all. Real simple. So I'll just show you how I mix this stuff. Now, I like to mix more olive oil than vinegar just because I don't like it that acidic, okay? So you can mix it however you want. My personal preference is more olive oil. So let's get started. So I'm just going to take this and start filling this up. As you can see, I don't use measuring cups. My mom was the best cook in the world, and she did everything by eye, and everything was awesome. And I'm a true believer in that. Plus, I'm lazy, and I don't like to clean measuring cups. So we're going to do that. We're going to grab a little red wine vinegar and go almost to the top here. Right about there is good. Okay. Next, a little lemon juice. Just a couple dabs. You don't want it too strong. This lemon juice can really have a kick to it. Okay. Dijon mustard. Secret little recipe right there. Huh? Okay. Just open this and we'll squirt a bunch in there. Like I said, I do everything by eye. And like I said, do this to taste, but this is pretty much how much I put in. Oregano. A little dash on top there. And what's great about this is once you make this, you want to kind of let it sit for a day. Let the flavors really kick in. Minced garlic. I like to take a big wad. You see here. Check that out. That's how much garlic I like in it. Put that in there. That's good. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna put the lid on this. I'm gonna shake it up. And there you go, guys. Fresh, homemade Greek salad dressing. This is the best dressing you'll ever have. And you can even use it as a marinade too if you don't want to use it as dressing. You can put it in any container you want. Obviously, this is what I had. And that's it. You're gonna put it in the fridge. Sometimes this coagulates in the fridge and it gets a little solid. So what you want to do is just take the top off, put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds, and heat it up, get it a little warm, and it'll loosen up everything. You just shake it and put it right on the salad. All right, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoy it.